by looking at your tongue first. Would you show me? Your tongue, and stick it out more. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Your tongue shows me a few different things. First of all, you have what we call the blood deficiency.
Wow.
Blood deficiency. You're a little bit low in the Western sense, red blood cells, or it could show up in your blood test as ferritin, lower ferritin. I can see by the color of your tongue that it's very pale. And it's very pale, and it's the ideal tongue should be slightly red or pink in color, and in your case, it's a bit pale pink. That's one thing I see. And you have also a little bit too thin coating. Your coating of the tongue is a bit peeled, is the expression that we use, and then it means that you have yin deficiency. So usually, sometimes when I see a pale tongue, it doesn't go together with such no coating, but this shows that you have yin deficiency together with the blood deficiency. And when you are like this, you can feel a bit tired. However, let me see your tongue again. Yes, and you have a little bit what we call the qi deficiency. Qi deficiency, qi is energy, and energy of the spleen, our organ that helps with feeling strong and digestive. It's a digestive organ, but in Chinese medicine, it also deals with how sturdy you are and how well you process the blood as well. So my guess is your spleen is weak from the deficiency, and therefore you feel tired, and also because of the weakness of the spleen, as a result, your blood is not able to, the spleen doesn't hold the blood, we call it.
Wow.
Yes, and when it's like this, in many cases, women have difficulty or irregularities in their periods, or you have bleeding between periods. So these are the three main things that I see in your tongue. Show me your tongue again. Otherwise, really fine. Your liver is really fine. Your heart is okay. Liver is in charge of cleansing the blood, and also the heart is related to Shen, our spirits, our emotions. Those areas are really fine. The main thing is spleen, blood, and therefore qi deficiency and blood deficiency.
And what do you recommend for me?
Wait, is it true what I'm talking about?
Sometimes, yes.
Yes?
Yes, true.
Okay. So usually when it's like this, you often find it difficult to wake up in the morning, and you just want to stay in bed a lot. And then you're tired towards, after morning, you already start to feel a little bit tired. And then your digestion, when you eat food, you feel like it's not being absorbed. No matter how well you eat, it's not being absorbed as nutrients into your system. So this is, and then the period cycle. Would you like to share with me your symptoms?
Yes, I feel some kind weak in the morning. Especially I have trouble when I must wake up earlier than 8 a.m. I feel very sick. I feel not good for breakfast, and I prefer to walk the second part of the day.
Slowly, your body actually starts to gain energy, and then you work later in the afternoon.
Yes, but I feel energy at 11.
Yes, you will see a lot of improvement if you start taking iron supplement, actually, in this case. And in some cases, when you have this kind of tendency, our body has inability to absorb iron, even if you eat foods that are with plenty of iron, or even if you take iron supplement. In the cases, taking herbal medicine like Dang will really help you. So it's a situation that can be improved very much. Yes, same thing with the spleen. The spleen, there is a formula, traditional Chinese medicine formula called Zhong Yi Qi Tang, which will help you gain strength in the spleen. It's called strength in the middle, the formula. So middle is in the middle part of our body, and spleen is in the middle, and you will start to feel stronger after taking it for about 5-6 weeks, and your blood absorption will also improve in the body, and therefore, as a result, you might wake up feeling much more energized and ready to face the day.
And where can I get this formula?
You can get it from me.
Okay.
All right.
It's wonderful.